Stop tasting it and just eat it.
Come on, man.
Okay, Gage, tell us what you're gonna do.
Yeah.
Tell us what you're gonna do.
I think that's cross.
I don't want to eat the stinger.
Probably his penis.
Yeah, that. Come on. Where's my Sprite at?
Oh my.
Okay. Y'all ready for this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Hurry up.
Eating a cicada.
Do it.
Hold it still, hold it still.
Okay.
Leggo.
The whole thing or just the back? Whole thing.
Whole thing.
Throw it in there. Chew
Whole
it, swallow.
thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't eat the whole thing. Just eat the whole thing.
Come on,
That's all I ever did.
Just
I don't want to eat the whole thing. Then tear the head off.
Fine, and eat the...
I'll eat the back. Then eat the back. Eat his butt. All good? You good yet? Now eat his butt. Whoa.
Alright, go ahead.
You good? Yeah. Oh. That's the taste.
Did you get it?
That's not Reese's, man.
Jeremy, let me touch it.
Jeremy.